Hey, this is Greg over at DIY RV and Home. Just to give you kind of an idea of how these Dri-Z-Air moisture absorbers work. We've had the trailer covered up for the last few months during the wintertime. I just took it off. Now we always put these in, leave them going and stuff like that. And this is actually, I refilled them twice during the wintertime. So about a month and a half. And you can still see I still got some of the absorbent up on top, but I just wanted to show you. And we really weren't in and out, so we were not bringing that much moisture into the trailer. I've got two of them. And as you can notice, you can see how much water that each one has absorbed. So just even sitting, you're going to get moisture into your trailer. And this will help keep it dry. Planning on doing a video, kind of give a little bit of idea of how much they absorb. We're going to go ahead and probably boil some water in our trailer to get the humidity up inside and let these chooch for a couple days, and then we'll come back, show you how well they work. Anyways, I just wanted to show you these things do work great. I just kind of walked through, everything felt dry. I'm not having any musty odor or anything like that. As always, you guys have a great day. See you on the next video.